Hello everyone, I choose joy. Guess what I got in my Amazon delivery today? A portable power source. I got it for the chili cook-off that didn't take place. It's going to take place on November 20th. But then even when I started purchasing it, I thought to myself, this would be good to have if the power source went out, or who knows what happens if everything goes to hell in a handbasket. Guess what? Got a power source. So let's check it out, okay? Here we are. So AC/DC in and out, have a place to charge things, USB ports, has my lights, and the one thing that I can tell you right now that I'm not happy about is the third plug. I wish I had known that. I probably wouldn't have gotten this, so it's still up in the air whether I'm going to keep it. Input NPV, don't know what that is, but yeah, not happy about that plug system, so we'll check that out. I got it plugged up so we can start getting some juice to it. The light is green, and I decided to put it on the deck and get it ready. One thing I do like about this inexpensive power source is that I can hook a solar panel up to it with no problems. So I'm going to get online and see if I can find like a really inexpensive solar panel, try to hook that solar panel up and see how well it charges while it's sitting out on my back deck. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're spreading joy around here, y'all, and we prepping. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Bye.